Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing, back with another video here this morning. We are at a returning customer's home, kind of a follow-up. I don't know if you remember, there's a video online of us taking the paint off of his fiberglass pole after he was sold the wrong kind of paint. So we removed all the paint. He got a pole company that came over here and resurfaced the pole. And now we're back here this morning after all that's done to clean his cage and pole deck. So I'm gonna walk back. I haven't seen it yet, so we'll take a look at this together. So yeah, we're gonna clean this shed off for him as well. It's pretty nasty. And then the pole cage itself, and the pole. Wow, looks really nice. Kind of dirty right now, but yeah, so much better. I don't know if you remember, it was all blue with like waves going up and down along the side there. I'll see if I can put a link to the other video of this. It was quite interesting. But we'll get all this cleaned off. A lot of green algae growth. Looks like we've got screens coming on down there. So we got a hole in the screen there. You're gonna have to be careful because we have peeling paint. I don't know if that shows up on video or not, but you can see at some point somebody tried to do pressure washing themselves on this. Didn't turn out too well. And then out along the side here, you have to be careful. There's hibiscus. 2 hibiscus trees out here. Then up along the pole deck, you got some peeling paint. Eventually that'll have to be done. And that's our job here for this morning, so let's get busy. It's supposed to be over 100 degrees again today. It feels like temperature, so it's going to be a hot one. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Walking around and show you how it turned out. There's the shed, looking good now. And the pole cage, pole deck, all looking good and sharp now. Yep. Yeah. Big difference on these cages. Okay, so it's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We'll see you at the next job.